Welcome to Miss Monts TV. Today we will have Archimedes Principle. Archimedes Principle states that when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. So let's have some experiment about it. For experiment number 1, we need water, weights, and spring scale. First is we will hang the weight in the spring scale, and as you can see, it reads as 0.1 Newton. And when we submerge it into water, it decreases to 0.08 Newton. For experiment 2, we have dropper, we have test tube, and I put 2 water, one is colored and one is plain to make a distinction. So the first one is we will put the test tube in the water. As you can see, it is floating. But when I drop some water inside the test tube, let's see what will happen. As we are adding water, we are adding the weight inside the test tube. And the test tube slowly is going deeper in water. For experiment number 3, we need egg, water, and we need some salt. If we put the egg in plain water, it will sink. Now, let's add some salt. If we put now the egg with the water with salt, the egg floats. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn and enjoy our video for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.